Good evening, guys. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Here I have a 8 HP HP 45 transmission on the table today. Alright. I pull this transmission apart. Right. Here is the output shaft. Clutch is there. Okay, guys. Alright. I have already pulled the transmission apart already. Okay. Alright. What happened with this transmission? The customer complained he power move up very hard, and after driving and shifting, the vehicle lose power. Alright, with a limp mode. Okay, so they pull the transmission and bring it to me, and I pull it apart, guys. As you can see on the table here, as you can see, clutch damage. You can see clutch flake off there. See there, clutch not good. Here's the pump. Alright, tomorrow I'm going to pull the pump, right, and check the oil pump right here. Here's the oil pump inside the pump. Okay, so you have to move this bolt right here. You got a piston. Now pull it apart. Have some bolt here. How to get to those bolts, guys? You have to pull the C clip right here and move it. Take it out. Tensioner plate, move the piston, and then you can pull it, and then you pull the pump apart. Okay, and check the oil pump inside here. Okay, right, oil pump here. See there. Eight HP 45 oil pump. Okay, I'm gonna pull it apart and check inside here. Okay, all right. Here's what happened here. See clutch up inside here. You can see so many space in between the clutches. This clutch pack stack up. It burn. Also this one burn. Okay, so guys, this is the transmission housing. And here's the valve body. And the converter. Okay, guys, so this transmission come from a 2012 535 I BMW 5 Series. Alright? Thank you for watching. I'm asking you please to like and subscribe and leave comment down there and ask any question. I will happy to answer you guys, alright, about this transmission, disassemble. Alright, thank you.